From my contemplative balcony, there's a storm warning. Storm warning. Ooh, have to be careful. So what do? First, the chimes ward off the bad spirits. And then you do what my favorite philosopher said and taught, Aristippus. He was one of Plato's students, or actually Socrates' student. He was a fellow student with Plato. And he said, adjust circumstances to you, not you to circumstances. So what are we doing? We're celebrating that we're safe here in the cave, and we have to celebrate with Tibetan rope incense, Indian bamboo flute, and the usual cave. We'll go over here. My artifacts from my anthropological work. Here are the Buddhas and the Christian theologians. And now we get to the celebration. What do we have here? Okay. It's camarones enchilados, which is a shrimp with a tomato, garlic, and basil sauce. Then we have black beans that I prepared myself. All kinds of herbs. And then plantains. They're baked with mojito made of lemon or lime, garlic, and olive oil. And then we have here 2 patties of cauliflower, no gluten. And that is going to help me pick up the tomato sauce and enjoy. And then for the wine, we have a Bordeaux, a Chateau Barrière, and 2014. And this is how we celebrate the storm. So, the lesson, adjust circumstances to you, not you to circumstances. So, bon appetit. Grab your chairs and get ready to celebrate an evening of storms, storm warnings with good food. Enjoy. And check out my YouTube channel, Dr. Mario Martinez. Subscribe. There are over 130 videos there teaching you about cognitive life and how to live it well. Enjoy.